Hey art friends, today we're going to draw something really cool. What are we drawing?
An Egyptian Scarab Beetle.
Yeah, it's kind of hard to say.
Egyptian Scarab Beetle.
There you go. We hope you're going to follow along with us. We're going to use a black marker to draw with. What else do we need?
Paper and something to color with.
Something to color with. All right, you ready to start?
Yes.
Now, the Scarab Beetle, the Egyptian version, is usually holding the sun. So we're going to draw a circle on the top of our paper first. We're going to draw it right about here, and we're going to draw a big circle about that size. Then underneath, we're going to draw a rainbow line or an upside down U. We're going to draw it right underneath. Then we're going to draw a line that connects the bottom. This is the head of our beetle, and then this is going to be the body. So we're going to start here. We're going to draw this big U shape that's going to come down like this, and then back up and connect on the right side. Now we're going to draw the details on the inside of the body. We're first going to draw a line right here that splits our beetle in half. Then we're going to draw a line down the middle, and this is for the wings.
Yeah.
Now we're going to color a lot of it gold. So let's draw another shape on the inside. We're going to draw another line that comes across the top. And then we're going to also draw an upside down U and go right along the outside shape of the beetle. Now let's repeat that same step for each of the wings. So we're just going to trace around the outside of the wing. And we'll do the same thing on the right side. Oh, he's gonna look so cool when we're done. Okay, now let's draw his arms hanging on to the circle. So let's first draw a really long U shape on each side. Then we're gonna draw another U shape. Now, this one's gonna get really close to touching the circle on each side. Then we can draw two lines to connect. And that's for his little hands. And that's okay. You know what? You could just draw it a little bit longer.
Long hands.
Yeah, long arms, long hands. Yeah, it works just fine. That's okay that they're different, right?
Yes.
Our art friends' drawings probably look a little different too. And that's because the most important thing is
to have fun.
To have fun and
to practice.
Practice. Yeah, that's the most important.
Yes.
All right, should we keep going?
Yes.
Okay. Now let's draw his back legs. We're going to draw two more U shapes coming out the bottom. Then let's angle them in like this, another U shape. And then let's draw his feet at the very end. We're just going to draw two smaller U's at the very bottom. Now let's draw the third leg on the inside. We're going to draw it coming out like this, right in the middle on both sides. I like it when we do symmetrical projects because then we can repeat the same step on each side.
Yeah.
And it gives us practice. So I'm going to draw another bent U shape coming down. And then we can draw that smaller shape for his foot. Let's draw a little antenna coming out the top of his head. So we're going to draw really small U's, upside down U's. And then I'm going to draw a little bit bigger shape coming up and connecting also to that circle. And if we ever go too fast, remind our art friends what they can do.
Pause the video.
Yeah, you guys can pause the video if you need extra time to finish a step. Now our beetles look really cool, but the Egyptian Scarab Beetle usually always had what?
Wings.
Wings. This is going to be the best part of our drawing. And we're going to start right here, and we're going to draw a curve that comes up like this. And we're going to do the same thing on the left side. Up. And we want it to look the same on both sides. And then one on the other side. Now on each side we're going to start up at the top and we're going to draw another curve that comes down even further. Watch this. We're going to come down like this all the way around and we're going to connect to his leg down here at the bottom. And we'll do the same thing over here. Big curves all the way around and connect down to the bottom. Good job. Now we're gonna draw another curve inside that matches that first one we drew. And we'll do the same thing on the right side. Good. Now let's draw the feathers on the right side. We're just gonna start by drawing these really long U shapes. And we can draw them connected, but watch this. As I'm going around the center, we can turn our paper like this so that it kind of creates a fan shape. Is that cool?
Yeah.
So we just turn our paper like this and go all the way around. Now we're gonna fill in this whole shape with these feathers, these upside down U shapes. So this part we're gonna fast forward, but you guys at home can pause the video so that you can take that time to fill in your shapes also with these feathers. All right, cool. We got the outside shapes. Now let's do one more curve like this so we can do another row of feathers on this inside part of the wing. Yeah, okay, now we're gonna do smaller feather shapes on this middle part. And we're gonna fast forward this too, but you guys can pause it again to take that time to draw all of your feathers. You drew the feathers on that inside shape. I think it looks really cool. Do you want to add more on this side?
Yeah, sure.
And I'm going to do the same thing you did. We could just add more feathers on that inside, that last shape. I think it looks cool. And there's no mistakes, right?
Yeah.
We're just practicing. We do the best we can. Oh, I think it looks really awesome with those extra feathers. There's one last thing we should do. Let's add some more decorations. I'm going to draw a smaller circle inside of the first one we drew. This is so we can color the outside gold, but the inside's red. Then let's also add another border around the wing that we can color gold also. So I'm going to repeat the same shape along the outside of each wing. So we'll just trace around it like that and come all the way down. And we can even imagine it going behind the legs and connecting to the body if you want. Now I'm going to do the same thing over here on the left wing. We'll go all the way around. Dude, this is a really fun project.
Yeah.
Now the cool thing about this project is you can actually add more decorations. You can make it look even cooler than what we did.
Yeah.
All right, now we're not completely done. We still need to do one last thing.
Color it.
Yeah. This part we're gonna fast forward one more time, but you guys can pause it at the end to match the same coloring. You ready to fast forward?
Yes.
Jack, we did it. We finished coloring our Scarab Beetles and yours turned out so cool. I love how it looks all colored in. I hope our art friends are gonna take time to pause the video to color their drawings also. One of my favorite color pencils that we used in this.
The metallic gold one.
It's actually metallic, and so it looks really cool when the light hits it. I don't know if you can really tell on the camera, but it looks metallic. It looks really neat. Now you guys can pause the video to match the same coloring, or you can use your creativity to color your drawings any way you want. And remember to add extra details and decorations to make your drawings look even cooler. Remind our art friends what the most important thing is.
To have fun.
Have fun
and to practice.
And we'll see you later, art friends.
Goodbye.